if you're encountering a module not loading error in Microsoft Dynamics 365, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent modules from loading correctly. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted files stored in your browser, which may interfere with Dynamics 365. Step 3. Update browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser may not be compatible with Dynamics 365, leading to loading issues. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or add-ons. Some extensions can conflict with Dynamics 365, causing modules not to load properly. Step 5. Restart Dynamics 365. Log out of Dynamics 365 and restart the application. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and allow modules to load correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the module not loading issue in Microsoft Dynamics 365. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to your IT support or Microsoft support for further assistance.